Well, some time ago I was in Milan giving a lecture at the Politecnico, and I was presenting at the lecture some footage and some projects we did by mapping cities in real time using the movement of cell phones. Now, at the end of the lecture, I get this guy comes to me and said, we need to do something together. And it turns out he's Professor Motterlini, Matteo Motterlini, who's the science advisor for AC Milan, the soccer club. And that's how the project started. Well, if you think about it, this is, however, very important for the Senseable City Lab. And the reason is that if you're able to understand real-time traces and manage real-time situation on a soccer field, you could also manage real-time situation in a city. There's actually two components to the project. The first component is related to designing the infrastructure in order to get the real-time data for soccer players when they are on the field. And then the second component is related to the analysis of the data. How can we actually design an alarm system, something similar to what people use in Formula One, in order to help the coach to make better decisions?
Another aspect that we're looking at is the performance of defenders within their zone defense. Milan uses a zone system where they have 4 players that try to cover the entire field, and they're assigned different zones of the field to cover. And so what we want to do is make sure that players are within their assigned zones at all times. We also want to look at things like the midfielders. There's supposed to be a certain spacing between each player, and they're not supposed to exceed a specific distance. So we can actually test the distance between the players and display in real-time alerts if the players move beyond this distance. And all of this will be displayed for the coach on the field. The coach can have this information for either games or even just in practice to enhance the performance of the team.